Are you looking for a low-maintenance way to bring life, beauty, and clean air into your space? Let me introduce to you one of the most popular and hardiest houseplants out there, the pothos plant. Pothos, often called devil's ivy, is a stunning trailing plant with heart-shaped leaves that come in a variety of vibrant green, marbled, and golden tones. Whether you're a seasoned plant parent or a complete beginner, Pothos is the perfect choice. Why? Because it thrives on neglect. Seriously, forget to water it for a few days? No problem. Low light in your office? It'll still flourish. Want to hang it in a basket, train it up a trellis, or let it trail off on a shelf? It's happy anywhere you put it. But this plant isn't just beautiful, it works for you. They're also known for their air-purifying properties, helping to remove toxins from the environment so you can breathe easier at home or at work. And the best part? They grow quickly, propagate easily in water, and can be shared with friends and family, making them the gift that keeps on giving. So, if you want to plant this gorgeous, forgiving, and functional, and you want to bring it home today, check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.